Good afternoon. My name is Jessa Ogay from BTLED 2A. Cheer dance is a performance activity that combines dance, gymnastics, stunts, and cheers to promote school spirit, teamwork, and energy. It is often performed during sports events, competitions, and school programs. So we all know that cheer dance is an energetic performances that combines teamwork, and also the stance and lefts. Formations that requires strength and trust. And of course, sa cheer dance, kailangan jud nga natay kusog labi na sa kanang pag left or pag left sa lefter or sa flyer. And dance routines synchronize movements with music. So we all know that cheer dance is very energetic nga dance, dili siya pwede nga lunay-lunay. And then of course na siya stance and lefts. Performance or formations. And cheer dance is originated in United States in the late 1800s and remains predominantly in America with an estimated 1.5 million participants in all-star cheerleading athletics involved. And of course, we require or we need to have a proper strength, kusog, and trust. Of course, para sa mga flyers nga labay-labay, and cheers and chants to motivate and energize the crowd, expression that has confidence and sharp motions, and of course teamwork, coordination, timing, and cooperation. So in cheer dance, we have the flyer, bases, spotter, main base, secondary base, back spotter. So when we say flyer, the person who lifted or thrown into the air during a stunt. So flyer is muna siya tong labay-labay, and then siya ang alsahon, siya ang mag-perform during that stunts. And of course, we have the bases, the team members who support left and hold the flyer. So siya ang magunit sa, or sila ang trusted person nga magunit sa kana nga flyer during the stunt nga ilang i-perform. And of course, we have the spotter, a person who watches the stunt and helps protect the flyer from falling. So ang spotter is mo ni sila ang katong mga tawo nga during sa stunt is nalang sila sa luyo sa katong mga bases or naa sa beside sa mga bases para mo support if mahulog ang flyer na sila makatabang. And of course, we have the main base, the primary lefter who carries most of the flyer's weight. So ang main base is mauna sila ang katong mga person nga mo gunit sa flyer nga sila gyud ang naa sa sentro nga maggunit. And of course, we have the secondary base. So assist the main base by helping left and stabilize the flyer. So ang secondary base is sila ang support or sila ang mag-support sa main base para ma-left nila og tarong ang katunga flyer and ma-perform ang dapat nga i-perform during that stance. And of course, we have the back spotter, stands behind the stand to support the flyer's waist or ankles and ensure safety. So the back spotter or kani nga mga person is mo ni sila ang katong nasa sa kilid sa main base or sa secondary base nga sila ang mag-support sa waist, sa tuhod, and then sa tiil. So kani sila no, we have the flyer, bases, spotter, main base, and secondary base, back spotter. This person is very important during the cheer dance. And then dili pud ni sila mawala kay kung wala ni sila is stunts mga ma-perform during the cheer dance competition. Of course, we have the X jump. A X jump or a jump where arms and legs extend diagonally outward forming an X shape in the air. So X jump no mao ni siya ang katong paglukso nila nga mo form ang ilang hands is split din ang ilang tiil is split din mo nang ma-perform siya og X jump. And of course, we have the T straight, an arm position where both arms are straight and extended to the sides performing a T. So ang T straight is basic lang ni siya nga jump, igo lang siya mo jump, then i-expand niya iyang arms, then ipikit lang niya ang iyang TL during if mo jump na siya. So mo na ang T straight. And last, we have the two touch legs. A jump where legs snap out wide to the sides with toes pointed and knees while arms reach toward the toes. So mo ni nga jump or lagi nga jump nga two touch legs nga ang kaning mag-perform ani is ilang i-touch ang ilang hands sa ilang pointed nga knees or sa ilang tiil. So we are very familiar namang good ing ani nga mga performance. And mao lang to, and thank you.